If you work with data in Microsoft Word, you've probably noticed that Word tables can feel a bit limited when calculations or structured data are involved. A powerful alternative is to use Excel tables directly inside Word. Hello and welcome to Ben Academy. In this video, I will show you how to insert and work with Excel tables in a Word document so you can take advantage of Excel's formulas, formatting, and automatic calculations without leaving Word. This method is especially useful for reports, research documents, and technical papers where both text and data analysis need to live in the same file. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, edit, and manage Excel tables inside Word to make your documents far more dynamic and professional. Let's get started. I'll show you. It's so simple. As another alternative, before starting the tutorial, I want to say that I have previously taught a video to use formulas inside Word. You can use some formulas in Word, but these are simple formulas like simple calculations, summation, count, or some simple statistical formulations. But if you have more professional formulas, more complex formulas, you cannot use Word formulas. So it's better to insert a table from Excel directly. If you go to Insert tab, in the table part, you can find table. And if you open the menu, there is an option Excel spreadsheet. If you click on it, Excel spreadsheet is going to be open for you. And as long as this part is active, you can see that the Excel environment is available for you. You can write every formula you want. There is a formula bar here. You can see that every menu, data, and formulas are available inside the Microsoft Word. And you can write every kind of formula you want with if error, or any formula that are available, any function that are available in Excel. With double click outside this area, you will go outside from the Excel, and you can see that the table is now visible inside Microsoft Word. But by default, the grid lines of Microsoft Excel may not be very beautiful to be placed inside Microsoft Word. In this case, it's better to add border. You know that the border is also available in Microsoft Excel. You can use it, and borders are much more better than default grid lines, and you can adjust the width of the columns according to the texts are included in the cells. According to the values, you can adjust the rows, or you can add some other border types like thick border or double borders or anything. And you can also adjust the size by clicking on these lines and drag them like this. You can see that it can be made smaller or bigger. And by double click, you can see that it's go out from the edited part. So you can simply add a Excel table with formulas using Excel inside the Word. I hope this trick was useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can write your questions below this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in other videos.